Look under the hood of a modern vehicle, and you won't find a machine. You'll find a barrier, a perfectly molded wall of plastic hiding the very thing you thought you owned. Try to peek behind it, and the barriers appear: proprietary screws, sealed panels, and components that aren't yours to touch. Even accessing basic parts can require special tools costing hundreds of dollars, tools you'll likely use once. The car isn't a tool, it's a contract, silently reminding you that ownership is an illusion. The days when a weekend in the driveway could keep your vehicle alive are fading. What used to take 2 to 3 hours at home now turns into a $800, $2,000 repair bill at a dealership. In this video, we take a closer look at a major shift happening in the automotive world, where vehicles are no longer built for true ownership, but for ongoing control. Modern cars are becoming harder to own, harder to repair, and more expensive to keep on the road. From hidden software locks to costly design choices, we'll break down what's really happening behind the hood. More importantly, we'll uncover the systems, decisions, and business models that are quietly changing what it means to own a car, and why more drivers are starting to feel like they're no longer in control of what they drive. Today, the car isn't just a machine, it's a trap, and someone far away holds the keys. In the past, a broken switch or sensor meant a quick fix: junkyard parts for $5 to $20, a few tools, and you were back on the road. Now, replace a part, and the car may reject it. Each component carries a digital signature. If the computer doesn't recognize it, the system refuses to operate. Your car is fine. The mechanic knows what to do. But the machine will not cooperate until you pay the dealer's fee, often $150 to $300 just for programming, sometimes more than the part itself. A $200 component can easily turn into a $1,000 repair once software and labor are added. This isn't safety, it's revenue. Every software-controlled feature, seat heaters, infotainment, key fobs, is now a potential subscription. Some features cost $10 to $20 per month, turning into $120, $20, $40 every year for something already installed. You've bought the hardware, yet someone else decides if it works. Every modern feature is a digital toll booth. Your car becomes a gateway for ongoing corporate control, disguised as convenience. It's not just software, the physical machines themselves are now deliberately difficult to maintain. Engines are densely packed, components layered like a puzzle designed to frustrate. A simple headlight replacement, once a 30-second job, can now take 1 to 3 hours, sometimes requiring partial disassembly of the vehicle. Minor gasket repairs can demand lifting the entire cab with equipment, costing $10,000 or more. What used to be a weekend fix now results in $2,000 to $4,000 labor bills. Turbocharged, highly stressed engines in large SUVs, paired with continuously variable transmissions, are fragile by design. Many of these systems are built to last 60,000 to 100,000 miles, just beyond the warranty window. One major failure can cost $3,000 to $7,000, often enough to make owners consider replacing the entire vehicle. These are financial grenades, precise, calculated, and timed to explode. Manufacturers call it value engineering. Mechanics call it a blockade. Call it frustration, but it's intentional. And then there's the data. Every vehicle is now a rolling observatory. Braking patterns, speed, location. Every action is tracked, sometimes thousands of data points per hour. That data doesn't just stay in your car. It can be sold, analyzed, and used against you. Insurance premiums can increase by 10% to 40%. Based on how your car reports your driving behavior, your driving becomes a commodity, your decisions a source of profit for someone else. Legislation is pushing further. Advanced driver monitoring systems, cameras, and sensors can intervene, judging whether you're fit to drive. Each software lock, each complex design, each forced dealership visit, it all adds up. One customer, one vehicle, but over time, thousands of dollars in repeat revenue. Consumers believe they own the product. Corporations know they've created a long-term income stream. And the independent mechanic, the one who once gave you affordable options, is slowly being pushed out. If the system decides you're unsafe, it can stop your car in its tracks. No warning, no override, Ownership is no longer absolute. It's conditional, controlled. Your car becomes a permission slip, and the price of defiance, immobilization. There's a way out. Choose machines that don't require permission. Classic trucks, diesels, and late 90s vehicles. These vehicles can cost 50 to 70% less to maintain over time, simply because they don't rely on locked systems or subscriptions. Steel keys, copper wiring, gauges that tell the truth. Why all this? Profit, control, and planned obsolescence. Automakers don't just make money selling cars, they make money after the sale. Service and parts can generate 40% to 60% profit margins, far higher than the vehicle itself. The more impossible they make repairs, the more money flows back into their system. Turn a knob, and the AC blows cold. Push a button, and four-wheel drive engages. No fees, no approvals, no hidden systems deciding for you. If you want real ownership, you have two paths: support right-to-repair initiatives or invest in old iron. Buy machines where the transaction ends the day you pay. At Garage Guide, we expose the hidden traps and corporate tricks no dealer will tell you. Keep your independence, keep your iron running, own your car, not someone else's profit system.